Alright guys, we're here with Dakota once again with the EK Coupe.
As you can see, it's
we have a few surprises.
Yes, we do. Some great surprises. As you guys can clearly notice, we've moved it into the garage due to the colder weather. And, well, anybody knows northern Indiana knows the weather that we've had. So before we get to this, I feel like I've cheated you guys, and I've slacked and not made a video of it, but I'm gonna fill you guys in. Let's move this off to the side for a minute. We did drop a motor in, but we kinda dropped that part off. Don't know if you guys can quite see it well. Of course, it's a D16Y8 LSD Phantom Grip clutch. Oh, Phantom Grip trans. My bad for all you hypocrites out there. Stage 4 6-puck race clutch. I mean, other than that, she's all stock P28 ECU.
Nice, beautiful header here.
Yeah, brand new downpipe and header, and I've decided not to even use it. So
there is a swap for sale.
I'm asking $800 for it. It comes with
the whole
harness, headers, downpipe, trans, mounts, shift linkage, ECU, axles, literally everything you could need for a swap, minus the car.
Yeah, you don't get the car. Well, would you like to show them what's going in it, Cody? Should we do this the YouTube way?
Yeah. Now, before you guys get close and I actually reveal what it is, drop comments down below and tell me what you think it is. Yes, it's point blank obvious that it is an H series, but can you tell us what H series? And also, if anybody's got a clutch, axles, that pressure switch, all that. If you guys can either help us out, let us get a hold of us, let us know, we can pick it up, we can buy it from you, or even if you just want to help us out just to see this thing running. And I promise you guys, as soon as we get this get the car running with this heart, I will slay a set of tires, and I will make sure that there will be these tires, some decent meaties, and then the meshies that are almost bald crushed because burnout's life. But I will go until they pop, just for you guys.
100 likes, 100 subscribers.
I want to get up there, so
we're at 32, I think. So I mean,
this week with this video, let's try to hit up to 100 likes, 100 subscribers, and
we'll see what we can't get rolling on this.
Yes. Future videos, I'm not gonna release everything, but I will be starting ordering parts for this. We're estimating around maybe playing around 600
for now.
Maybe 700 horse for now. What numbers are you guys hoping to see out of this build? Drop in the comments and let us know. If you guys have just sporadic ideas about things, let us drop it in the comments. All feedback is better than no feedback. And you guys got pointers about things or some issues that we run into, drop a comment, let us know. So, because I'm always learning, he's always learning.
Hopefully that'll be in there within the next, I don't know, what, 2 weeks?
2 weeks this will be in.
2 weeks to a month. We'll put that in there.
It better be running.
It might be running.
The ring.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys.
I promise you guys, we will do better about doing uploading videos.
Any little thing that we do.
Any little thing with it from now on, we'll take and throw down on a video and shoot it out to you guys. Main reason why I didn't do it with this is because this was just trying to get it daily, just trying to get it running, get back forth to work. But
race car.
Yeah, race car. So fuck the series. Spread the word out. If you guys take and want it, let us know.
I'm pretty sure we could ship to all 50 states if you were willing to pay shipping.
Yes.
It should be somewhere around $200 to ship it.
But like I said, motor, trans, clutch,
cables.
Yeah, cables,
hydraulic line.
Yeah.
Everything. All but your master cylinder, your slave cylinder.
That could honestly go too, because I'm going to be getting a new. So I don't know who this guy is. Do you guys know who he is?
We're gonna flash just the number once or twice. Can't be doing that too much. Alrighty, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode.